If you have a Cybertruck and live in a cold climate, get yourself some good winter tires. A Cybertruck was seen stuck in 3 inches of snow in Montreal, Quebec. Looks like it's fully stuck. It's 6,000 pounds and all-wheel drive. It should not be stuck. This is pathetic. It should have tons of traction. It's amazing how people don't know how to drive in the ice. Of course it is stuck with that much steering angle. They should move straight forward and turn lightly. Also turn on the diff lockers. Probably raise it up a bit too. People needs to understand no car will work in these conditions without the correct tires. Tesla has a mode for slip start which covers slippery situations like this and sand. Looks like owner wasn't using slip start. The driver definitely needs some coaching.